I didn't think I'd be here today. I didn't think I'd be here sitting in front of the camera talking to you all. But life happens and it happens in funny ways actually. Few years back, I thought by now I'd be in that white coat with stethoscope around my neck, in MBBS, would be studying medicine, it would be all, you know, fun and but as I mentioned earlier, life has funny ways to show us the reality. Life happens, it happens in some funny ways. So, a few years back, 3 years back to be precise, I started preparing for this one exam called NEET to fulfill my childhood dream of being a doctor, of getting into MBBS. But it didn't go as planned. I gave my first attempt along with my 12th grade, but I couldn't crack it. I thought I'd take a drop, give myself and my dream one more chance. So I did that. I took a drop. I again worked hard, but it didn't go as planned. So many things happened. You all know what I'm talking about. So 2024 and 2025, these 2 years, oh my god, you all know what happened in these years, and well, whatever happened. I'm not here to trauma dump. I'm not here to rant exactly. Whatever it is, fine. But when that failure, it hit hard. I felt terrible. I legit felt like my entire world just fell apart. And I cried, of course. I was heartbroken. That was one thing. I had tied my entire identity, my entire existence with NEET. Because for the longest time, I could not imagine myself doing anything else other than medicine. And I genuinely loved science. I still do love science. I love studying. I love science, but maybe didn't work hard enough. I don't know. I gave everything that I had. I gave my 100%, but maybe that 100% was not enough. So yes, that was a turning point in my life. I thought after hours and days of feeling like a failure, being disappointed in myself, and feeling like shit, I thought to myself, maybe we can change our perspective and think of it as a redirection rather than a failure. Maybe we are meant to do something else. That something else, I don't know. I still don't know. I am still figuring out what is that something else that I'm meant to do. I don't even know how much I'm scoring in my NEET 2025 exam because I haven't mustered up the courage yet to calculate my marks. I don't think I'm going to. And that's it. That's it. I'm pretty clueless. All right, इतना सब कुछ मैंने बोल दिया, but silly me, I forgot to introduce myself. So, hello everyone. For those who don't know me, of course you don't know me. This is gonna be my first ever YouTube video. Of course you don't know me. I'm Feni Makija and I'm 18 years old. I'm definitely gonna change direction in my career path now. So that was that, and I don't have it all figured out. I definitely don't, and I know I'm not alone. I know for a fact that there are many people out there who is also sailing the same boat as me. So yeah, this I'm pretty nervous actually. This is my first ever YouTube video. I've always wanted to start a YouTube channel since I was in like 8th grade. Yeah, that was the 7th or 8th grade. That was the first time I actually, got to know about YouTube and that people create content on YouTube and stuff like that. I got very fascinated by it and I really wanted to do it for the longest time. This is the time that I actually gathered up the courage to sit in front of the camera, hit that record button and actually start speaking and everything. I don't know if I'm gonna actually upload this on YouTube or not. I hope I do. I have absolutely no idea. Life feels pretty messy right now. I don't know what to do. I have absolutely no idea where I'd be in next 5 years. I don't even know what I'm gonna choose because I'm pretty sure MBBS में नहीं होने वाला है. I'm pretty sure about that. I don't know exactly. But if not that, what else do I want to do? I have a few things in mind, but I'm still not very sure about that too. For the longest time, I thought I had it all figured out, because बचपन से I had this one dream that मुझे डॉक्टर बनना है. And then I started, as I grew older, as I got to know more about this field, I researched more about this field and then यार नीट करना है, मेरा सेट है, नीट होगा फिर डॉक्टर बनूंगी, फिर ये करूँगी, फिर वो करूँगी. But the moment I faced this one big rejection, like that reality slapped hard. Like, no बेटा, ऐसे कैसे सब सीधा सीधा हो जाए. नहीं. This is a reminder, life don't always go as planned, but I'm pretty sure that life has something special, something even more beautiful in store for me. I'm pretty sure I believe in the superpower of this universe. I like to believe that whatever happens for a reason. So, yes, that's pretty much it. And I thought I would document this journey and maybe, just maybe, uh, share it with you all too. And if you would like to be a part of this journey, if you want to explore more about yourself, consider hitting that subscribe button. And yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye.